Suppose, sir. Wait, sir. Sir, 1 second. Sir, 1 second. Wait, madam. Madam. Okay. Suppose, sir. Visi, madam. Sir. Madam. Madam.
We have made and the journey ahead in ensuring equality and empowerment in all.
To begin this auspicious event, let us.
We would like to welcome our Honorable Chancellor and Founder of VIT, Dr. G. Vishwanathan, respected Vice President, Mr. Nathan, respected Executive Director, Dr. Sandhya Penta Reddy, respected Vice Chancellor, Dr. V.S. Kanchana Bhaskaran, respected Directors of Student Welfare, Deans, Directors, HODs, faculty members, participants who have made this week a celebration.
Thank you, Smriti. We kindly welcome all the dignitaries to enlighten this event. Team Asina Racing is shaping the future of women in one race at a time. Now, we request our respected Chancellor, Dr. G. Vishwanathan Sir, Chief Guest, Justice V. Bhavani Subbarayan Ma'am, and Guest of Honor, Mrs. Vandana Jain, to inaugurate the workspace and hand over the keys to the women team Asina Racing.
Regarding the protection of the children from POCSO, that you have an act called POCSO. So whatever happens to the child, there are so many child welfare NGOs and others who can help them out. And in the meanwhile, if I'm talking about some of the children near your place, if they are affected due to some act of this, or I don't want to mention that, some incidents, then you have the help of this POCSO Act, where you can punish the so-called, the said person, the men who are doing all these nonsense. Regarding the next one will be the your rights. As a girl, when you get married and go, you have a setup of a different household, and you have to get settled with a new house, and your cultures and other things may differ. So you'll have some difference, and if you are able to succeed. Otherwise, you have any problem, you have so many acts in favor of you regarding your rights and other, even you have duties. Your rights are there, but still you have the duties also as a daughter-in-law. Regarding this Dowry Prohibition Act, the Divorce Act, and other Succession Act, where you can claim rights through these acts, your father's property or your father-in-law's property. Both ways you can fight for it. Regarding the POSH Act is the one which you have to keep it in mind, because now those days we didn't work, and we were in minority, and we didn't have the rights as it has been projected today. This regarding this POSH Act 2013, where the prevention of sexual harassment in the workplace. You should know first gender sensitization. Men and women are equal, and that you have to keep in mind, both men and women, because those days men were in majority and women were in minority. Your voice was never heard. But now you can feel that the men are minorities, women are more. You can see women have increased even in judicial system. High Court we have 13 judges, lady judges, and regarding the subordinate judiciary, we have more women judges than men. And we were also joking the other day, we will have a day when it will be only full of lady judges, and we will have a say at that point of time that once upon a time women were minority and men were majority. So that stage might come and we will all work for that. Regarding the safety of women, you should have this in your mind that when you are going to a workplace, that is even a person who's going to come and tell you, your sari is good, your hairstyle is nice, and your lipstick color is suiting you, or your hearing is it's dancing, or something like that. You have the right to go and give a complaint. Men, please be aware of it. You don't, no compliments here afterwards. You keep this in mind. They have the right of protection, that even compliments go against you. There was a case where the said officer complimenting the staff, that went against him. Now he is before the court. And a professor who was talking to the girl children and offering some prasad, the vibhuti kumkumam, and the girl said, I don't want, because she said she had some other thing. And this person, no, you keep it in your pocket, tomorrow you can wear it. That also, a complaint has been given. So, please beware, and that will be safeguarding you. And regarding the other rights, when actually the challenge in the legal field is, it's not legal actually exactly, it's all social, deeply social. And change does not come from the courtrooms, it begins in homes, in classrooms and in conversations, as I said. In those days we had moral science classes where the teacher used to tell us what to do and what not to do. And we had to read so many books of the leaders, all books which teaches you how to behave as a human. Those days are gone. Now you have to imbibe that from the childhood. The parents has to teach them. The children has to be taught regarding how to behave and how to be good to other human beings. Don't have any differences on the basis of language, caste, creed or color. Regarding color, I should say something. Everybody, many of them body shame the other girl who's dark. I myself was body shamed so many times. They will tell me, the dark, short female, no? That's a word they use when I was in college. All those things, it might hurt you for some time, but come out of it. Be black is beauty. Yes? So, keep that in mind. I never wear any powder or any cream or anything because I feel that my skin is beautiful. That feeling you should have, the gender sensitization where you think, my body, it is my right. I can do whatever with my body and I have every right to wear whatever I want, but there should be modesty in your appearance. And other things regarding your childhood things, whoever it is, good touch, bad touch, don't teach them that. Tell them no touch. Do not touch. That courage you should have. And you should be a courageous person. Modi vidu papa avar mugathil umindu vidu papa ennu sonnan Bharati. Take that word. If you have courage, beaten. Otherwise, go give a complaint. Yes? Do not bend for any speech that is a sugary coated speeches, and don't go beyond that. If you have a talk, there ends the matter. நட்புக்கும் ஒரு எல்லை உண்டு. உனக்கு தெரியாதது காமமா காதலா இல்லை உடல் இச்சையா என்று. பார்ப்பதெல்லாம் காதல் அல்ல, கனவு அல்ல. So keep that in mind, that everybody, whether anybody approaching you with a good intention or bad intention, you might not know unless and until you can differentiate it. And you have the rights, that part I will come to you. Regarding education, now we are all out. We are engaged in ourselves in very good subjects. Whatever subject you need, home science, everything you are learning. But only part you don't know is the culture. The culture also should be taught, where you have to maintain that culture. There are various cultures in our land. Learn good things from that and invite that in your mind and live with that. And in harmony we have to live. Women must be given their rights. Who has to give the right to you? Your father or mother? The state has to give a right. Yes? You have the right. nobody should give it to you. It is there in your right, and who is trying to take away the right?